guys, you're welcome once again to today's video. If today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you are welcome and thank you for choosing this channel. If today is your first time, make sure you subscribe, you like, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting this channel. Now today there is good news for Ghana. So if you're Ghana, if you're Ghanaian, there is good news that I want to share with you. Okay, so if you can remember, about 3 months ago there was a travel restriction from the government of US, that the United States of America. There was a travel restriction on Ghana passport holders. So any Ghanaian who want to travel to United States, there was some restriction on the type of visas that you'll be going to given and the number of days or the number of years that they are going to give into you. Now, this is a good news now because the government or the foreign minister has announced on his X page that now the restriction has been reversed. The foreign minister Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa announced that the US visa restriction imposed on Ghana passport holders in July 2025 had been reversed. So the restriction which was imposed on the G1, the F1, and then the EB3, and then the other visas, what the minister is saying is that it has been reversed, and it means that for now we are going to enjoy our 5 years multiple entry.
Unlock your dream career with Say Ike Consult. Tired of resume that go unnoticed? Struggling to craft a CV that truly stands out? At Say Ike Consult, we transform your career story into a high-impact CV tailored to international standards for Canada, the UK, USA, and Europe. Our services include CV writing, CV review, sponsorship job applications. Don't let your resume hold you back. Increase your chances of landing that interview today. Call or WhatsApp us at 0200-994893 or book us on our online shop. Link in the description. Say Ike Consult, your career reimagined.